step 4.
We have lots of steps. On the box, there's only 3 steps.
We have more. It's a really cool life. Now,
yeah.
Add in
The cheese.
Oh wait, dash milk. It makes it better. Yeah, my fridge, y'all. Awesome, I know.
It's looking at my stomach.
Hopefully stuff stick.
Stuff to stick to what? The pan? I mean the pan?
The cheese. To stick to the noodles. I'm gonna put this away. Whoops. People want to know how to make macaroni.
That's a lot of cheese.